Hi everyone, my name is Bob. Our exercise for today is called nested if. So the question you would ask is, what is nested if? Nested if is like having more than one condition formula or the if function in condition formula. The nested if function allows you to test multiple criteria and increases the number of possible outcomes. In this case, I'm gonna calculate the bonus of salesman based on the criteria of total year target and years of experience of the salesman. So the first logical test is if year total is greater than year total. And the second logical test, if years of experience of the salesman is greater than or equal to 5 years of experience. So value if true then is salary times 20%. And value if false is just 0. This means then that the salesman will not receive a bonus if the salesman was not able to meet the two criteria that we have set. Okay, we already have the salesmen here and the numbers of experience and their salary rate. And we also have the sales amount in quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, and the year total. Okay, the only thing that is blank here is the bonus because we are going to calculate the bonus. Okay, down here is the year total target of 10 million. So that's the first criteria, and the second criteria would be year of experience, 5 years. Then, if he's meeting the criteria, the salary would be multiplied by 20% as the salesman's bonus. So logical test 1 is if year total is greater than year total target. A logical test 2 if years of experience is greater than or equal to 5 years of experience. Then value of true is salary times 20%. Value of false then just 0. Okay, before we calculate the bonus, I'm going to hide the 4 quarters because we don't need them anyway. So hide them so that we're going to have more space on our TV screen. Okay, so first thing we're going to write the equal sign. Okay, then the if function. Remember to always put an opening parenthesis whenever you put the function like the if function. Okay, so the first logical test would be the year total greater than 10 million, the year total target. Okay, then F4, since this is absolute cell reference. Okay, the good thing about the absolute cell reference is that whenever we make changes in our criteria, like we change the 10 million to 8 million to 15 million or whatever, and the year of experience, like we change it to maybe 10 years of experience and others, and etc., then we don't have to recalculate the bonus. Okay, the bonus will be recalculated automatically, right? Okay, that's why we don't put the actual numbers on our logical test. Okay, maybe for some other if nested if, maybe we can just use the actual numbers. Okay, don't forget to type the comma. The comma will separate the sets of formula or function. Okay, so since we don't want the value if true first, because we're going to have another set of if function, the second logical test. So don't forget the opening parenthesis. Then the second logical test would be the years of experience greater or equal to 5 years. Year of experience we set earlier. So again, F4, then comma. Now, since this exercise will be doing 2 F's only, maybe next time we'll be doing multiple criteria, multiple F functions. So for now, I don't want you to get confused. So we're just going to use couple of F's. Okay. So our value if true is, as I said earlier, is the salary multiplied by multiplied by 20%. Okay, and then the F4 again, and then comma, and then the value of false is 0, and then close parenthesis. See, if you notice, the close parenthesis is kind of green color, so we want to show the black bold color. See, we type another one. Okay, now it's just black bold color. Okay, why? Because we have two open parentheses, no, here and another one here, so we have to close it with two parentheses also, so that it will pair the open parentheses. Okay, then just okay. I think you would not like this one. It returns false word, the word false, no, it returns this text. So maybe, but actually we can fix that, and then all you have to do is just put two quotation marks here. Okay, made mistake here. Okay, what's lacking here is the comma. Remember the comma to separate the sets of formula. Okay, then enter. Okay, you got it, and then copy it down. Right, it returns blank. It returns blank. Okay, right. Okay, so if you want just 0, although you may say it's eyesore, it's an eyesore, you just remove the quotation mark, then it returns 0 numbers. Okay, if you have a long list of salesmen and you think this 0 is an eyesore, you go back to putting quotation mark, so it returns blank. Okay, also you can actually use text, like for example, no bonus for every salesman that didn't meet the two criteria that we have set, then there will be no bonus for these guys. So there are a couple of guys who do not have bonus: Mike salesman and Yusuf salesman. Okay, so that's how we use the nested if. Right now we're just using two F's. Maybe next time on our next video we're gonna be using multiple criteria, therefore we're gonna be using multiple if function. So that's how you do it, calculating using the nested if in condition formula. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching this video. Until next time.